Hi friends, it's Nalanie and welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are doing a little makeup Ulta haul. Got some goodies. I've tried a couple of these goodies out already, but I still wanted to show you guys what I got because they're all fairly new and I'm just really excited and I like showing you guys what I get. So I'm just going to take everything out of the bag and then we can start. First product is the setting spray. This is the Makeup Revolution Super Fix Super Hold Misting Spray. So it looks like this. This is supposed to be a comparable dupe to the One Size Beauty, and I think the Charlotte Tilbury is what everyone was saying it. I've only used this once and my makeup stayed put. So I'm gonna test it out a few more times and really let you guys know what I think. But so far this did work because I used it on a very, very hot day. And it was hours. It was hours and hours and hours, and my makeup stayed put. So that's pretty good. The next thing I picked up is a new foundation. Well, new foundation shade. I've been using this foundation for years. I love this. This is such a good foundation, and I don't feel like enough people talk about this. Just gotta shake it up really, really good. I just needed another shade because I'm a different complexion, so I'm hoping it matches. This is in the shade 470, Radiant Honey. So looking forward to trying that out and hopefully it matches. The next thing I picked up is a Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. No, Butter Blush. And this is the Mauve Notes. So this is what that looks like. I've been looking for, I've been just on a hunt looking for blushes. The blushes I currently own, I'm not really feeling them. So I'm just in that, I need to find good blushes. And I'm just kind of going down the list of people's recommendations. So this is what that looks like. It smells, what does it smell like? Does it smell like flowers? It does have like a sweet florally scent, but hopefully that's pretty. Let's do a little swatch. Yeah, you're not going to be able to see that on camera. It seems pretty light, more like a everyday blush. I picked up another blush from Juvia's Place. If you guys have been with me, you know how much I love Juvia's Place. I haven't tried any of their blushes yet, so this is the volume 4. I was debating between this one and the other red. If this one goes well, I'll probably pick up the other one because I don't have a red blush that I really like, and I just feel like it's a color that I feel like I would just really like it. So this is the hot pink and the pastel pink. I've swatched it when I first got it because I just needed to, and it's very pigmented. So this is a little too light for me, and this is just very bright. So we'll swatch this and see what it looks like. Okay, so that's coming off a little chalky because I am pretty tan, and then this is the darker one. That's pigmented. That's really, really pigmented. Wow. Okay, so these are what they look like. That's pretty. Hopefully it looks good on me. Hopefully I like it. Okay, so the next thing I picked up is from Half Magic Beauty. This is the Euphoria makeup artist's brand. She's one of the co-founders or founder. I love glitter. You guys know I'm obsessed with glitter, but I also wanted to try little tools to see what it does. I've never bought something a specific tool for your face. So I saw that she had this. It's a silicone wing magician. It's a silicone guide, so you can use it for your liner, your shadow. You can use it to contour. You can use it for so many different things. So I'm really just interested, and I'm intrigued. I'm intrigued. The next thing that I picked up from Half Magic is this glitter puck. I've used this. I've used this a lot. I've used this every day. Every day since I got it. Today I didn't use it, and it took a lot out of me not to use it because I've been using it so much. But this is so pretty. If you are someone that loves glitter, you need this. It's the only shade that they have. Like I said, it's just glitter puck in Dopamine Sparkle. Comes with a little cushion. And it's just so it doesn't fall and break. And I promise you, the camera is not doing it justice. It is not going to pick up how sparkly this is. I am obsessed with this. I'm going to swatch this, but whatever you see on camera, it's 10 times sparklier in person. If you can go to Ulta and you see it, please swatch it. I literally don't need a lot of this. I'm gonna try to do a heavy swatch so you can see it. But oh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. I've never loved something more. Okay, and the last thing I picked up from Half Magic is one of her glitter pills, I believe is what it's called. I've been using this a lot too. This is in the Microism, I think that's what it's called, but it's the only one that's this color. There's another one that they have, but this is the one that they had, and it was just so pretty. The way these glitters sparkle, I don't know. She really did something with this. If you like glitter, you need both of these. So this is the glitter pill, and this is the glitter puck. It's both of these I've been wearing nonstop. Speaking of more glitter, I finally got my hands on the Anastasia Cosmos palette. Can't talk today. I missed out on the Makeup by Mario's ethereal palette. Is that what it was called, or was it Celestial? The Makeup by Mario, you know which one I'm talking about, with all the glitters and everything. I missed out. It was just, it sold out so fast and I was never able to get my hands on it. So when I saw that Anastasia had a glittery palette, I knew I wanted it. So I just never got, I haven't gone to the mall or the store to getting makeup, and I finally did. So this is what it looks like. I have swatched all of these in the store. They are extremely pigmented. I'm gonna swatch a few for you. They're so pretty. I'm just gonna swatch some of the glitters for you. I'm just gonna find some sort of space on my hand. Okay, so this is from the palette. So pretty. And the last thing I picked up is, sorry, I'm trying to clean my hands, is from ColourPop, and this is their Super Shock Shadow, the Ultra Glitter, and this is Mountain Line. I love these little, this from ColourPop, the Ultra Glitters. They're so pretty. The one I use the most is Mighty Morphin. I don't know if you can tell, but it's in my inner tear ducts. There's something about these glitters. So this is the Mighty Morphin. I'm gonna put that right here so you can see it. It's very sparkly. There's tons of different color shifts in here. You have pink, you have gold, blue, you have everything, and it's just very subtle. So as soon as anytime I see that they have new shades like that, I'm always picking up. So this is, like I said, the Ultra Glitter in Mountain Line, and this is supposed to pull more pink. I have to find a space. Oh, yeah, hold on. So this is what it looks like. I don't know if you can see in the camera. It's a very heavy pink shift. You guys know I like pink. And we're just gonna swatch right here, and look at that. So pretty. And I know it's gonna be really hard seeing, but everything on my hand is the sparkliest thing possible. Sparkliest, that's not even, you know what I'm saying. It's just so sparkly. So yeah, I'm very happy about everything. So far, everything that I've tried, I've really loved. And yeah, that's it. If you like glitter, definitely go find Half Magic. and swatch her glitters, because I promise the camera is not going to do this justice. So okay, that is it for this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.